Hey guys, it's Sam from Boxing for Health, and I'm here today to show you your PD Warrior squat and stop. This exercise focuses on power squatting to strengthen your legs and your lower back, as well as giving you a full extension and amplitude of your arms and hands. Okay? So let me show you what this is going to look like. To start, I want to remind you guys that when we're squatting, we want to be standing with our legs about hip width or just outside your hip width. And when we come down, we want to make sure that we're pushing our body weight into our heels. Our toes should feel a little light. If you're feeling the weight in your toes and light in your heels, we want to bring that weight back into the heels, okay? Let's keep that in mind. All right, so nice and tall here in our squat position that we just talked about. For this one, our arms are going to be up high, and as we come down, we're going to shoot our arms forward, flexing those wrists in a visual stop sign and yelling, "Stop!" and then pulling it back in. But we're going to do it faster with 3-second holds at the top and the bottom. 1, 2, 3, stop! 1, 2, 3, bring it in. 1, 2, 3, stop! 1, 2, 3, pull it in. Notice that speed, okay? And that volume. Good luck.